Yeah, I was thinking about getting a goat tattoo, but not a goat, but like my Welcome back to another vlog. It's another morning. We back at it, okay? We own it. It's kind of foggy outside, as you can see out my windows, but we still gonna do what we gotta do. So I'm about to try and beat these 30 minutes. I gotta put on my leg weights that I got in the trunk, and I got my headphones today, okay? I wasn't slacking today. I was on it, okay? I need my workout music, all right, to help push me, like give me that momentum that I need to keep going. The reason I'm doing this is, again, is not to lose any weight. I don't need to lose any weight. It's to build up stamina. It's to get my blood pumping. It's to get those endorphins flowing. It's to gain strength in my legs and all of those things. So it's for gains, all right, for me. So let me get off of here and let me get to what I need to do. You feel what I'm saying? Thoughts inside my mind, yeah. Across the finish line over 1,000 times. I can't escape the feeling that is coming back. How is one to deal with that? Keep your head above the water, don't let go. Keep on pushing till you cannot push no more. Bro, when I tell you girls, oh my goodness. Whew. I finished 4 minutes faster in 26 minutes today. And what I did was I jogged some and I walked some, and I jog and I walk and I jog and I walk. I'm hot underneath here. Can y'all see the sweat? So I'm about to go home and start that workout. That just helps me like work out my legs a little bit more. It's like a cardio, like I said yesterday or the day before. Yeah, it's just, whew. I feel good though. I feel good. And that's the good thing. What is you thinking? You all in your feelings, cause you know that I'm speaking true. Whole squad, they already know, so I'm not to be fucking with you. I'm too busy securing the bag. I'm too busy cashing all this check. But I look like falling for the okie doke. No, no. Nigga don't blame me, no nigga, no. So my rapper is only legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame, it won't be for when I set my intentions. I promise to sleep on the head out your voice. My song, right? I promise to mine. Let's go on a living spree. Yeah, they say the best things in life are free. So y'all, I forgot to pick up the camera after I got done getting myself together. I had to take that other hairstyle down because it was hurting my head. Like, bro, for like 2 days, I was like, I don't want to take it down. I don't want to take it down. I took it down because I was like, I can't be out here brain just being strained from a hairstyle. And the point of it is I didn't even do it that tight, like, but I took it down anyways. Now I got this ninja bun, okay, that I done slapped on top of my head with these two. I've been locked as of yesterday for 3 years. Finally! It's been 3 years that I've had locks, and they're growing very nicely. I'm still loving it. The fact that I don't have to do too much to my hair. The only thing I would say that I don't enjoy doing is after like I retwist my hair, say about a couple of weeks later, it looks like I never had a retwist. And that's the only thing that kind of like makes me feel like because I don't do retwists like as often as most people do. Most people will do retwists. Some people even go so much as to do them like every 2 weeks, every month. I will wait like 3 months before I do a retwist because I need to allow my hair to grow out. Like, I feel like putting that much stress and tension on your hair and on your locks is not healthy for them, all right? I feel like that thins them out the more you retwist. So I honestly was thinking about just not retwisting my hair for 6 months and see what happens. I kind of want that. I don't know if y'all seen it, so if I find a picture of it, I'm just gonna put it up here. But this girl had like let her hair grow out basically, so all of this was grown out hair, like slicked back, and just the ends of her hair was locks. I thought that was pretty cool, so I might try it. I'm gonna see. I don't know. The longest I've been without a retwist is about 3 months, 3.5 months. So to say 6 months, that's a half a year with no retwist, I don't know. So I haven't retwisted. I just retwisted this front because, you know, I didn't want like frizziness in the front. So I gelled it down, slicked it back, tied it down so it can lay down. But other than that, the back is just a retwist that I done right before Christmas. And so haven't done anything, don't plan on doing anything with it. I'm gonna see if that's gonna work, if I can get that hairstyle. But anyways, I just been here recording TikToks, which is why I didn't pick up the thing, cleaning up the bathroom, the whole house basically, cleaning up. I sat down, I ate some oatmeal, watched a little inspirational video to help, you know, kind of get me in the flow of like pumping out what I need to pump out as far as my YouTube content, my, you know, my content, okay? My inspirational content, my TikToks, my Instagram reels, things like that. So getting it right. And I just recorded a YouTube video about these that I just got, these Jerry Stack houses. And you'll see that, I don't know if that's going to be before this vlog or after this, but you'll see it somewhere in one of these videos. So now I'm just kind of done. All right. I'm done. I'm done recording videos, but I do want to, excuse me, I do want to extract some videos. Wait, did I say that right? No. I want to extract some of the audio from some of the videos that I've recorded, like music videos. There's this app I used to use where I could hear a beat. They'll play, or you can download the beat and then you can freestyle over the beat. So there's some songs that I created that I want to use in my videos as far as my vlogs and things like that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to extract the audio from those videos, put the audio on my device, my phone, so I can put it in the videos. Like, I think I had that thought a long time ago to do that, but I'm actually going to do it today. So let me get off of here and get that done. And you're going to probably see it in this vlog right here. Some money for me. The last couple years been a slow for you. I'm mad that I got one up on you. I'm so say you gotta hear from the goat mouth. Goat talk. Say you gotta hear from the goat mouth. That's that. Goat talk. That's that. Yeah, I was thinking about getting a goat tattoo, but not a goat, but like my sign, because I'm an Aries, right? So I got that fire sign. So I don't know if it's a goat. I think it's a ram, and I was thinking about getting that right here on the back of my neck, bro. Like, not big, but just small, like just a symbol. So it's nighttime. Nighttime is the right time. I'm about to go take a shower. So it's just 7 o'clock, but I'm about to go take a shower. I want y'all to see what I be watching while I'm just in this bed. Hold on. So this is a TikTok page. Okay. They be selling these crystals. Bruh, I want these crystals so bad, bruh. Watch how they scoop them.
You're addicted. Girl, you're addicted.
Bro, look how big those spears and towers are. Y'all know I like crystals.
Yes, I think it's 11.
And for only that much?
9 days later, item 10 days later, 10 days later, and one more Cornelian Tower. One of a kind. Strawberry chorus, aventurine, double aventurine, moonstones, and your lucky bag, green moonstone, and the amethyst.
I've just been sitting here watching it. Like, ready to make an order. Because y'all know I like crystals and stuff like that. Alright, you know, anybody want to, you know, feel inspired, okay? Feel the urge to send your girl some crystals.
Thank you.
Alright, just, you know, slide on over to TikTok and find who it is. Highland Crystals. Highland_crystals. Alright. I want one of them animal ones that he got in the back. But anyways. Yeah, that's what I be doing sometimes. Sometimes. Normally I'm watching the TV, but I can't stop. It's the same thing over and over, and I can't stop watching it. Like, all he's doing is filling orders. Child, why I still got this thing on my wrist? Supposed to have put it on my hair. Let me go shower, and I'll pick this thing back up later. I'm back out here. Back at it again. Y'all, my legs hurt. My legs was hurting yesterday, which I figured that, you know, after about the second or third day, my legs was gonna start hurting. But I know I feel the pain, so I know I'm doing something right. But my inner thighs hurt, bro. My ankles, I don't know if it's these ankle weights, but my ankles are sore. Whew. Last night my whole legs were sore. But again, that just means it's working, fam. That just means it's working. So I'm about halfway done. So I'll be back. Well, I might as well talk to y'all because they got these workers behind me collecting their things. And I can't back out. So anyways, another workout complete. I am sweating bricks. This jacket is stuck to my arm. It's not really cold, but it's hot. Shit. Alright. It is hot. It's like 70 degrees. But it's like misty. I don't know how to. It's humid. So I knew I was going to be sweating. Like the top lip sweating. So I knew it was going to be. I knew I was going to be sweating because I was going to be jogging. I don't even know if you could call that jogging.
Nope.
I don't know what you call it. But I put this jacket on intentionally so like the sweat can kind of, you know, stay on my body and not make me kind of cold, you know what I'm saying? Because you know when your sweat hit that air, you kind of get this chill, and I ain't want that. So I know I'm gonna feel it when I get home, but go home, get in the shower. It's gonna take about an hour. But yeah, my legs definitely feel better. I think if you just continue to push through the burn, you know, you won't feel it no more. And then you'll have to push yourself. You know, this ain't my first rodeo. So you'll have to push yourself to another level. And so that's what I'm working up to do. So jog, run until then they had this man. Whew, I got to get to his level, baby. He was jogging the whole thing about 3 times. But let me get out here. Life is a test to see how well you can balance out the stress and never settle for less. Build you a team, it's a game of chess. You got your rules, you got your knights, they ready to go to war whenever you like. Let me go. I know I ain't still out of breath now. But back at the crib, legs, oh, the inner thighs are burning. Ooh, doing a squat. Baby, that hurt. Let me let y'all go. Let me let y'all go.
And you the queen, protected and respected, making moves that nobody can't mess with. Man, hold up, I'm about the microphone, check it. I'm about to hop on this mic and would wreck it. Well respected in these streets, you already know it's your girl myabeanicci, yeah, and she be wrecking on these beats, babe. Hey, yeah, yeah.
Spiritual intuitive. Welcome to these positive affirmations designed to inspire feelings of gratitude and appreciation in your life. The emotion of gratitude opens our heart.
So I am dressed now. All right, hair. I just decided to go with this shirt. You're doing just fine. Keep going, okay? Quick little reminder to self. Jeans and yellow shoes to match the yellow in the shirt. So boom. Just some light. Some simple, okay? Got my lip gloss. The sun is coming out. It's kind of cloudy, but I'm going to go record my TikToks and reels and all of that. And I'll be back. Y'all, there was a ladybug on my car just now. And ladybugs tend to represent good luck, so I'll take it. I'll take all the goodness I can get, okay? But baby, my legs hurt. They sore, okay? I might have to get some more Epsom salt. Well, I think I have some, but it is the kind that's for your foot. So I don't know if that's the same as the kind you soak your whole body in. But I'm gonna try and just, it's not that bad. When I got up and started walking, that's when I really felt it. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to head to the kids' school. They're almost out of school. Pick them up and head back to the crib and do some homework and make some lunches. And I'm probably not gonna record none of that because I just don't. So I'm probably gonna end this vlog here. I think we're at probably around about 20 minutes after I probably do some more edits. But anyways, thank you for always watching. All right, if this is your first time, come back. All right, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video. And then comment down below and hit that like button, because likes help the channel and we want to see this channel grow. So thank you again. This is Glass House Maya. You know nobody flyer. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving.